Hey guys, welcome to our channel. Today, we'll dive into an important topic. Can you recover the Threads badge on Instagram? If you've signed up for the Threads app by Meta and have seen that unique badge on your Instagram profile, then you might be wondering what happens if you remove it. So stick around as we will walk you through the steps and provide you with all the information you need. So let's dive right in. So we'll start by opening the Instagram app on your device. So you'll need to access your Instagram profile located at the bottom right corner of the screen. And under your Instagram username, you might notice a Threads badge. This badge indicates that you're using a Threads app. If you don't see the badge, you can easily download and install Threads from the App Store to make it appear. So right after, you'll need to tap onto the Threads badge and you'll see a pop-up message. This badge acts as a temporary indicator that you're on the Threads app and allows others to easily access from your Instagram profile. At the bottom of the pop-up, there's an option to hide badge. However, it is important to note that once you remove the badge, you cannot recover it. Unfortunately, as of the moment right now, Instagram does not offer a way to recover the Threads badge once it's been removed. So once you choose the hide badge, it's gone for good. So the Threads badge is part of Meta's strategy to encourage Instagram users to engage with Threads app. It's designed to bridge the gap between two platforms. So if you're certain that you want to permanently remove it, so you can just select remove badge option and keep in mind that this is irreversible. So there you have it. The Threads badge on Instagram is a one-time deal. Once you remove it, there's currently no way to get back it. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and if you have any questions, leave them in a comment below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.